DPDK is the abbreviation of Data Plane Development Kit. DPDK consists of libraries to accelerate packet processing workloads running on a wide variety of CPU architectures. DPDK can be deployed on user space CNI and virtual switches levels. User space CNI is a Kubernetes Container Network Interface plugin that was designed to simplify the process of deployment of telco applications in Kubernetes pods. The plugin uses Kubernetes and Multus CNI to provide pods with a virtual DPDK-enabled Ethernet port, instead of relying on the standard Linux kernel networking stack, which can introduce overhead and latency. A user space CNI DPDK plugin would use DPDK to manage the networking data plane directly in user space. On the other hand, the OVS kernel module acts as a cache for the user space. DPDK deployment on OVS level eliminates packet buffer copies. When the packet is entering the OVS DPDK, it is uniquely identified and passes three types of filters: the exact match cache, EMC, the data path classifier, DPCLs, and the of-proto classifier. More the packet mismatching in one filter, it will go to the next filter, which means that latency increases and the performance for packet forwarding decrease. Performance statistics shows that OVS DPDK is 10 times performant compared to native OVS.